Some models are equipped with a quick chain tensioner, which makes it very easy to adjust the tension. Undo the butterfly on the catch there, rotate it anti-clockwise to loosen it, and then with the thumb wheel on the top of the adjuster, turn it so that the chain comes up tight, touches on the guide bar, and then do the retaining nut up. And of course, once again, check, not with your fingers and your thumb unless you've got gloves on, but then just spin the chain over. If you can turn it without too much resistance, the chain is perfectly tensioned. Can't be any easier than that.